Park Jiyul, and I will presentation people's impact on the environment and how to make it better. When we think about the word environment, rain meadows and the blue sky may come to our mind, but also there are concerns about our future. It is difficult to say that nature's deterioration is not due to humans, and it means we, the people, have to restore it. I am going to start my presentation with the promise that I will pay a little more attention to the environment. Have you ever seen this picture? This turtle have a straw stuck in his nose. And like these animals, a lot of creatures are getting hurt by us. In case of Korea, a total of 267 species of animals, including China mammals and 63 birds, are classified as endangered. Each of them has different reasons, but climate change, habitat degradation, or loss account have a rate of for about 51.9% of their reasons. We can't restore our extinct animals now. We have to stop their extinct. We can easily see the trees around us. These trees are cut down and returned to us as papers on papers. A 30-year-old tree can be 10,000 sheets of paper, and to make only one sheet of paper, 10 liters of water is used, and 2.88 grams of carbon is emitted. And it means to make 10,000 sheets of paper, we need a 30-year-old tree and 100,000 liters of water, and they make 28,800 grams of carbon. It is never a small amount. Also, deforestation in Brazil's Amazon rainforest, also called Earth's lungs, which plays an important role in slowing global warming, reached its highest level in 15 years. And it means a bad cycle of their climate. We can do them for then what can we do for the environment? There are many ways we can do. In some easiest ways like recycling waste, using tumbler, or using eco bags. In my case, we can also donation to the companies like Greenpeace or WWF, which is World Wildlife Fund. In my case, I usually use transport. Then how can we recycle a PET bottle? First, empty the bottle and wash out. Second, remove the label. Next, crush it and close the cap. Finally, dispose of in dedicated collection bins. People have created renewable energy, which is not limited, and there are such as solar power, wind power, or water power. I wish people could live day by day with the thought of me, not that. I think that'll be okay without me. Let's pay a little more attention to the environment. Thank you.